European businesses are facing massive fines up to 500,000 euros if they don't make their websites accessible by June 2025. The European Accessibility Act is about to change everything for companies selling to EU customers. This isn't just another boring regulation. It affects e-commerce, banking, transportation, basically any business with a digital presence in Europe. Even if your company is based outside the EU, you still need to comply if you have European customers. The EAA requires businesses to make their websites and apps usable for people with disabilities. That means adding text descriptions to images, ensuring keyboard navigation works, creating captions for videos, and making sure your site works with screen readers. The crazy part? Most companies haven't even started preparing, and time is running out. You need to assess your current accessibility, create an action plan, update your digital platforms, train your team, and document everything. But here's why this matters beyond avoiding fines. There are 135 million people with disabilities in Europe, with over 200 billion euros in spending power. Making your site accessible literally opens up a massive new market. Plus, accessibility improvements often make your site better for everyone. Clear language, good color contrast, and well-organized content help all users, not just those with disabilities. Don't wait until the last minute. Start with a basic accessibility scan today and fix the easy issues first. The deadline will be here before you know it.